Hello friends, and today we're going to make another happy little shape. It's not tricky at all, I think, but maybe it's tricky. Let's try it, and maybe it will be the shortest video on the channel, because I definitely like to do long videos. How are we gonna do this thing? If you watched some of videos, I think you probably know what we are going to do. We're just going to create the center rectangle, I think. We will hide this guy, take these things, and just do a bevel. Here we go. Let's drop the O letter and make this, select this, and Control 1. Good. And now let's bevel them. Okay, that looks thick to me. It's not a circle. It's ellipsoid again. See? Yeah, let's do something like that. Let's drop it a little bit lower than the central line of it. And now we can Control 1 again and do the B and just bevel it until it became something that remind us this ellipsoid shape. I will take this thing and move it a little bit here. I want to cut it in the middle. Take this thing, Shift C, cut it, X, X, Alt X, drop it here. Yeah, this is my beautiful, beautiful mesh. And let's do this thing in the center, a little bit thicker than this, just a little bit. Yeah, I think like less. Put it to the top. Yeah, and it's better so it like match it over here. Good, let's just drop it here and move this one over here. Good, we're almost done. So now let's select this, this, and this, and just extrude it. Boom, 1.5. And I think we're pretty much done. It's the world record. The fastest video on the Wild West. Over here and over here, like this. They're definitely a little bit bigger than this one. Good. And let's bevel this too. Maybe a little bit smaller. And let's just bevel it. Just a tiny little bevel here. Let's position this shape in the middle and just mirror it. Yep, here it is. I hope you made this shape much better than I, and I hope you have a great day. So keep modeling, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.